Hello friends, how are you? After the long time, welcome back. And this is the situation where we are stuck now. And in this situation, today, little bit change. I decided to celebrate my little purchase. So today I went to the market and got the one laptop, the name Huawei. This company is the famous for his product, for the good quality of video, and most very nice thing about this laptop is some of the gifts associated with this, like the Bluetooth mouse. It's in the gray in color, and also the one Matte Dock 2. This is the accessory to use and connect the HDMI ports, and also it can be connected with the VGA cable. So my friend, today I'm going to unbox this laptop and to show you what's inside. So please just be with me. Okay, so it's now sealed. I didn't even open it. So I want to show my friends how it's inside and what we're gonna find. Okay, it's a little tricky. Let me open it. Oh my God. Yes, come on. Yeah, you got it. Okay, now starting with the name of Allah. Let me open it. Here we go. And now it's about to open. Oh, there is another box inside this box. Yeah, you can see this Huawei MateBook X. So my friends, let me show you what's inside. I think it has some plastic seal. Let me find the way to open it. A bit difficult to open it, but I'm trying my best because my nails are not that much pointed and there is no pointed edges on it. Let me find some key to open it. Just I'll be back. Yes, we open it now. See inside. This is like a magic box, but it seemed a little difficult because still there is another seal. Let me see. Oh yeah, we got it. Oh my God. Let's see the color. What do you expect? What color will be this? Yes, I already given you a hint of my mouse color. It's gray, silver color. Nice. You can see this. Let me open. Oh my God. You can see this is my new laptop. Okay, let me tell you some configuration related to my laptop. It's Intel Core i5, and with configuration, yes, I got it. The information, its RAM is 16 GB with storage of 512 GB SSD, and the screen size is 13 inches. How do you see, and what's your comment about my laptop? Please mention your inbox. Thank you.